So he impressed on his kids, work just a little less, spend more time together, and most of all, have fun. Because spending time together as a family is one of the most important things we have. We all have plans and goals in life, but sometimes life takes us down a different road.
পানির পাইপ না থাকলে অপসারিত এক পায়ে যাওয়া যাবে না।
Take vacation. While that's going to the Maldives on a beautiful beach, or just going to a lake cabin a couple hours away. We need to take off time from school and work to recharge our batteries and just get back to try new things and visit new places. But most importantly, have fun and live without regret.